In page number 24, you can see the topic decentralization. The meaning of the term is taking the power from the center and state governments and giving it to the local self-governments. And here it is given the reasons for decentralization. There are two main reasons for that. First is vastness of the country. India is a very large country and it is not easy to administer such a large country from a center or a single level. And the second one is the cultural diversity. So when we analyze the rationale, that is vastness of the country and the cultural diversity. These are the two reasons. Then what are the benefits? There are three major benefits given. First one, local people will be having a better idea about their problems and the ways in which it can be solved. And other reason is that local people also will take part, or the better participation will be there. So these are the benefits. People know what is their problem and people have better idea to solve that. And the last one, better popular participation. So these are the reasons. Here we are going to learn about the structure of Panchayati Raj in India. We have three different levels, that is village panchayats, then we have block levels or panchayat samitis, and above that there is Zilla Parishad. Each village is again divided into wards, and from each ward one member is elected. Again there is one more body under each village panchayat, that is Grama Sabha. Each ward will have one Grama Sabha. It is a meeting of all the adult members of that particular ward. And at least twice or thrice these Grama Sabha meetings are to be held. And number of Grama Panchayats are put together under the block level or Panchayat Samitis. Again the entire village panchayats in one district will come under Zilla Parishad. And similar arrangement is there for the urban areas as well. There, instead of village panchayats, it is municipalities and municipal corporations. If it is the area is having more population, it is corporation, and if it is having less population, then we call it as municipality.